couple hours ago because I knew you would cover all the exits, all the doors, all the hatches in the Philadelphia Spectrum, brother.
I got dogs, I got Doberman pictures at each door. Here you've been having a problem here in Philadelphia, so I come down early myself just to see if we couldn't cure some of the problems.
You know, but the thing with Philadelphia, why is everybody so upset, man? We've always been fighting. We've always been fighting. But now we're fighting for the same reason. Oh, wonderful, Mr. Orndorff, wonderful that is. You don't have to write it on our foreheads. We know the whole thing is Bobby Heenan, man. Selling it out, buying everybody Kamala Kimchi the Wizard, just because he wants the gold in the Bobby the Brain family. But it's not that easy, man. When you were standing over me or not, when I was shaking like a fish, and you so slowly, premeditatedly pulled the mask off, showed everybody who it was that pile drive me. I bet you never thought she'd have to pay the piper.
Oh, were you being a big shot again, Orndorff, huh? Were you coming out and trying? Obviously, you didn't figure it out on your own. Obviously, you had to wait till you see him and I been fighting for a long time, like he said. I fought you many a time. But you know one thing? Every time we fought one-on-one, man-to-man. We never once one of us had to do something scuzzy, had to jump off, had to rely on anybody. Philadelphia, the town of fighters. You want to see a fight like you ain't never seen before? And I'm telling you something, mister. I'm telling you something right now. I come this Kamala beating on his drum. Guy's 360 pounds. I know you can pick up 360 pounds. I get in trouble, and I stick my hand out in Philadelphia. Are you going to tag me?
Oh, man, am I going to tag you? The beauty of the whole thing is the WWF's the governing body. They saw what went down. They didn't say, Hulkster, you got to have a partner. You got to have somebody in your corner. There were no demands.
I can make it. Well, like you're not nice to kids and stuff. Would it be okay if I had Orndorff and Kamala and accidentally wrapped the belt around them and choked them and then licked them a bit on their face? I know that you don't do that kind of stuff, but would it bother you in Philadelphia if I just did just a little tiny smidgen?
In this situation, since you came on your own, since we're fighting for the same reasons, Piper, Rowdy One, you want, man.
Ooh.
We know the rules now. Now we're going to play your game. I want to see Orndorff's face, Kamala's face, the real Kimchi, and the Wizard brother when they have to pay the piper. When they have to pay the piper. Tonight, man, a few hours from now.
You ain't never seen nothing like us, brother. You don't give a doggone about nothing, brother. And you know what? When we're well, we're hell. When we're good, we're good. And when we're bad, we're better.